Hi, and welcome to the first lecture in this section. So if you remember, the challenge I gave you was to take this 1 unit box and double the height. So you have a 2 by 1 basically. So you should have, I've already done this. So you should have this. And as you can see in Max, standing upright, looks good. Exactly how you would expect it to appear in Unity. What I asked you to do was put it into Unity, save it into the meshes folder in the Unity folder, and have a look at it in Unity and see the problem it created. So let's go and do that. Let's go and look in Unity and have a look at that object inside Unity. Okay, so here is Unity, back into our project file. And you can see in the meshes folder, our 2 by 1 object is not standing upright, it's on its side. If you drop into the scene, it will actually look okay. There's a reason why it's doing this, and I'm going to show you how to fix it. But you know, if all our objects are going to be falling over on its side and look like this, it's going to be really confusing and messy, and I just hate it. So I went out of my way to figure out how to fix this, and I'm going to show you a solution to it so we keep our models all nice and neat and tidy in our meshes folder, so we can just glance at them and see without having to look sideways at them. So how to fix this? Back into 3D Studio Max, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it. Okay, so here we are back in Max with our 2 by 1 object. So what I want you to do is go over to here, go to your hierarchy tab over here, click on that, left click, come down to where it says affect pivot only, like that. Go over to your select and rotate and click that. And you can see we've got this rotation gizmo. I would like you to right click on this so you get this pop up like so. And in the X value, I want you to type 90 like so. And you'll get the green pointing upwards. Let's turn that off and turn that off. And you can see the value down the bottom here, 90. As long as you don't reset the XForm, that value will remain. And now, if we save our model back into the Unity folder, Unity project files, Art of Games, assets, meshes, and our Tool 2 unit box, whatever you want to call it. Click save, go yes. Right, now if we drop back into Unity, so here we are back into Unity, and you can see now in our meshes folder, our Tool 2 unit is now standing up correct. If we drag that into the scene, and it still looks fine. And just by doing this, we'll keep all our models nice and neat and tidy. We won't have to look sideways to look at them. And you'll see me do this a lot. So we're going to rotate the pivot on each of the objects we bring into Unity to ensure they are correct. So hopefully when I ask you to do this challenge, you identified that this was incorrect. It was fallen over, essentially, rotated in the wrong direction. Obviously you didn't know how to fix it, but now you do. And we can continue whiteboxing our scene. So that's it. I'll see you in the next lecture.